Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best electric chainsaw. If you want power, convenience, and safety all in one, this is the tool for you. Let's get started. Product features: powerful and efficient performance. The Works Nitro electric chainsaw packs power rivaling a 45cc gas chainsaw, but with the ease of electric. It cuts at an impressive 59 feet per second, perfect for bucking, felling, or slicing thick wood. No gas, no fuss, just smooth, reliable power for tough jobs. Large cutting capacity. Cut through logs up to 28 inches thick with confidence. The Works Nitro's large cutting capacity lets you handle big branches and trees without switching tools. Whether clearing the yard or prepping firewood, it saves time and effort with every cut. Efficient runtime. Run up to 150 cuts on a single charge of 4x4 hardwood. That's serious endurance. Ideal for long jobs or remote locations without power access. The extended battery life means less downtime, keeping you productive all day long. Tool-free chain tensioning. Forget fumbling with tools. Adjust the chain tension instantly with an easy turn of a dial. This quick adjustment keeps your chain tight and cutting smoothly, maximizing performance and safety without stopping your work. Automatic chain lubrication. The chain stays perfectly lubricated thanks to the automatic oiling system. This reduces friction and wear, extending the chain's life and maintaining smooth, efficient cuts. No manual oiling needed, just continuous, hassle-free operation. Safety features. Safety first. The Works Nitro has an automatic stop feature that instantly halts the chain during kickback. This smart system protects you from accidents and boosts confidence whether you're a beginner or pro. Power indicator. No more guessing games. Keep track of your battery life with the built-in power indicator. Knowing exactly how much juice is left helps you plan your work better and avoid unexpected stops mid-job. Pros. Powerful, gas-level cutting without gas hassles. Large cutting capacity for versatile use. Long battery life ideal for extended projects. Easy tool-free chain adjustments. Automatic lubrication for smooth operation. Advanced safety features for peace of mind. Clear battery power indicator. Cons. Limited by battery life compared to gas refueling. Slightly heavier than smaller electric chainsaws. May require time to get used to electric motor feel. Final thoughts. The Works Nitro electric chainsaw combines power, convenience, and safety in a compact, user-friendly package. It's perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and pros who want efficient cutting without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas chainsaws. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching. If you want a powerful chainsaw that's easy to use and safe, the Works Nitro is the one. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome product insights.